too.
Okay, say hi.
That's what it is. Hello.
What's up, you guys? Faith, aka Grumpy, back with another video. It's been literally, I think it's almost been like 2 weeks. I'm so sad. I'm so bad about it.
Says she wants a YouTube and then doesn't put videos. Come on now.
No, because I have a problem with just picking up the camera and recording. But I got Abby in this video, so Abby finally made it into one of the videos. She's always hiding, but she saved a bird, so I got her, and I told her that she was going to be in here.
Did you record the deer?
Yes, that's the title of the video, as you've seen by the title. We went and seen deer. They have it like fenced off and everything. Like they're not
It's
just
a deer ranch.
Yeah, they're not just like wild deers that you like see and then they'll run off. No, we got like really close to them. And then you can also hear the birds, but I didn't really look at the birds. I don't like birds. They're really loud too. And also, they have a. They said it's not a baby goat, but it looked like a baby goat.
Well, then what was it?
I don't know. They said it was like some. They said some kind of name. I'll have to ask them, but they said it wasn't a goat. It was
looked like a goat to me.
Yeah. But
yeah, it looked like a goat.
It looked like a goat, so I'm sticking with it's a baby goat.
Until we're corrected.
Yeah, until we're corrected, it's just a baby goat. But yeah, and those clips aren't that long, so I'm like trying to make this one kind of longer and explain everything, and then show the clips because
you hear Dad coughing.
Yeah, Dad, you should come say hi in my video.
We're gonna make her popular. Watch.
I know.
She's gonna jump up in subscribers. I'm just kidding.
I've made it to I think 32 now.
What?
32.
Wow.
Yeah. Not as much as y'all, but it's okay.
Hey, listen. We started down at the bottom too, so.
But also,
But that's awesome.
Jimmy from Slim Chance Outdoors was over a lot this week. And we were on weekend, yeah. And they worked on the house, but
which they'll see later on.
Yeah, I think it'll be on their channel. I could put some clips in too, but it looks
it's your channel. You do what you need to do.
I'm waiting on Dad to just pop in, like sup, you know, sup.
He's moving stuff in there.
Is he moving the sheetrock? He got sheetrock to put.
It's to finish off this wall over here.
Because I have
from there to there.
I don't know if y'all seen. I think you've seen a little bit, but I have sheetrock on the side of my bed already, and then this corner back here doesn't yet. So he's gonna put that right there, and then yeah,
it's coming along.
It is coming along. I'm very excited.
I'm excited.
Leave that in the comments and tell her to let me dye my hair. Tell it, convince her to let me dye my hair.
I gotta dye mine too, look.
We can do it at the same time.
Gray hairs. That's what happens.
Look how long my hair is.
They're gray.
She said they're white, not gray. Oh, look, there's Dad.
Here comes.
Say hi.
What's up?
Leonard Mountain Homestead. Mr. Leonard Mountain Homestead. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs.
I gotta go finish watching Slim Chance Outdoors video.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're gonna play those clips and then I will be back to do my outro. Oh, that's cool.
Those over there, like, what are they doing?
Like, I was looking at that.
What are these people?
Like, why are there so many people? They all went back there. Can you see them better on that side? What kind of bird is it?
I got no clue.
He's pecking her though.
Oh, it's pecking her. What's stuck on it?
Little tiny, this little net thing.
Oh. These birds are creepy. Look at that thing. Mm-mm. Oh! You scared the...
Peacock though, it's pretty.
The colors are pretty.
Will you let go? Thank you. Ouch.
Like the colors. Oh my goodness. Abby saved a bird. It's stuck. Tried to let it go, but it didn't work.
I tried to let it go, but it didn't work.
It's yours. It's yours. Go.
What?
It's yours. Go. It's yours.
His dog.
Oh.
Go.
Trying to think of where you could set it.
Put it over there with this bird. There's a bird, right?
Oh yeah, I want to show him the... It looks like a goat. I'm going to go with goat. Oh, you dropped it? Oh. I would just leave it alone.
Yeah, its wings hurt.
Where'd the little
Okay.
Where'd the little thing go?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Amelia, where's Bubba?
Inside. Oh, you can see the deer. They're all spread out.
Where's the goat? Where's the goat?
That's how we went inside.
Okay. We also had Corbin and Maria over. So I'm gonna put a picture right here. So the story behind this picture, why I took it, one, they were cute and I had to take a picture. And two, they both fell asleep the same way on my bed. It was really cute. But, anyway, we're gonna... Who's outside? Oh, yeah, and Christopher got, a truck. I'm gonna put a clip in there, too, of his truck before we end it. But, yeah, this one's not gonna be that long. But I know I am going to start picking up the camera. And I'm just happy that we got Abby in this video. So, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all Chris's truck real quick. Okay, I came outside. I was going to turn it around, but it's like really dark. I'm trying to find the light. Anyway, I'm in front of Chris's truck. He got a Chevy. My dad said it runs. It's just not pretty. I think it's pretty cool though. And I think tomorrow we're putting gas in my car. The blue Suburban that's always was sitting right here. Yeah, I think we have a new favorite. But, okay, so this is our front porch. And then, that's really cool actually. That's really cool. Anyway, I froze for a minute. And then, that, I can't really tell, But they haven't gone down this way, and then the other side that looks exactly like this on the far side is also done. So, yeah. But yeah, they just have stuff in, this is the back of it. But yeah. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. It's not gonna be that long, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment. I'm forgetting my own thing. Anyway, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, because videos are only getting better from here. Yeah, stay tuned because my birthday's coming up and it's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here, get ready for bed. And yeah, look at Kobe. He's just, oh, also, I got a pillow with my name on it, guys. Look. Yeah. Really cool. Anyway, bye, guys.